The Minecraft mode where you can't break anything or place anything? Is this even Minecraft? Hello and welcome to OMG Craft. I'm your host, OMG Chad. Today we are going to be talking about Game Mode 2, Adventure Mode. Adventure Mode was released far back in Minecraft's history, but a lot of people are still very confused about it. In Adventure Mode, you can't do much. You can't place blocks, break blocks. The map has to give you everything. So let's show off some of the things that you can do in your map to customize it to make sure to get some of those items.
So here we are inside of an adventure world. You can tell because I can't break anything. Now some of the things that are still available to you are hidden animals. So most of the in-game mechanics like hitting animals, using furnaces, trading with villagers, all of this is available. But unless if the map actually gives me anything, I'm kind of stuck. I can't go up and punch a tree. I can't really make this food crafted or smelted or anything, because there is nothing else that I can touch inside of this game. I guess I could try to go find a village, but I couldn't even break the food in the village. It would be quite a sad existence. Now, not only can you not break anything, but even if I was to give myself a shovel, so let's give OMG Chad a Minecraft iron, and let's start with the shovel. I still can't even use this tool, which should be used for dirt and sand, on any of the things that you would expect a shovel to be used with. What you need to do is add an extra string to any of the items that you want to give your players. And this needs to be a can break or can destroy, or can place. So the way that works is you are going to create two curly brackets, and inside of that you're going to write in can destroy, then a colon, and then you're going to make two square brackets. And then inside of the square brackets, any of the items that you want this to be able to destroy, you also need to put in parentheses. There we go. So this is going to be Minecraft, and we're going to choose sand for this first one. So we'll type in sand. Once we have all of that written out, you can hit enter and you also have to add the amount that you need right after what type it is. So we want 1, and the damage value, and it's going to be 0. You could make this 30 if you want, and then it'll be slightly damaged, as you can see. So now, if you hover over this in your inventory, you can see this can break ability. It will be able to break sand. So hooray! Now I can make sand in my world. If I want this to be able to break dirt as well, you have to go back into your string, and you can get to this quickly by just hitting the up arrow inside of the chat. And you have to add a comma after your quotations, create another quotation, and then write in a new item. And then now we have something that can, oh, did I spell that wrong? Let's check, because I may have, no, dirt. This is grass, as you can see. And I can't place any blocks down as well. So this grass is not breakable by this shovel, but this dirt is. So now we have a shovel that can break dirt and sand. But once we get to stone, we are out of luck. This can also be used with items that have multiple values. So what I'm trying to, like, for example, is you could have, and then this is my character limit of the chat. So we're gonna have to reuse one of these. And so leaves, there's various types of leaves. So we can type in leaves, and now this will break sand, not grass, not dirt, but it will break leaves. And these are dark oak leaves, but the game is smart enough to know that there are various types of leaves in the game. Now, if you want to do the same thing, but for blocks, you need to be able to give yourself blocks that have the can place. So, instead of a shovel, let's give me some sand. So, now we've changed up our command quite a bit. This says now that we are giving OMG Chad sand. We're going to give myself 20, and the command is can place on. And then the item is now Minecraft grass. So when we do that, there we go. We can place this sand on grass. Funny thing is, we can't place it on sand, so we're not going to get very far. We'll just be able to cover up this grass with our sand, and that is it. I can't put it on really anywhere. It's kind of a sad amount of sand here. Oh man, we can get really sneaky by playing. Oh, look at that sand falling. Oh my, I've basically hacked the game, putting it all over the place. In the normal game of Minecraft, if you're in adventure mode and you're using the natural spawn point of the world, you will spawn around that area. It's not really a defined point. But naturally, with adventure mode, you will spawn directly on the point that is set as the spawn point for the world. That includes if there is a roof above you. Now that can also be achieved by using the command spawn point, just like that, and hitting enter. And now, if, like, say I was to die, there we go, I will spawn directly at that point as well. But by default, that is how adventure mode is done.
I should mention that this episode was because of an email that we got by a name that I can't pronounce in basically broken English. So thank you so much for sending in that email. If you liked this episode, please give it a like down below. Leave a comment letting me know what you thought of this episode, and we'll see you next time on OMG Craft. Make sure you subscribe. Bye!